right, I just want to point out this really nice scorekeeping soda holder or drink holder stand. Try that over again. It is extremely windy here today, and I'm gonna go over to this side and just show you how well, though my tripod is not holding up, these stands are holding up to the wind great. I can create a base that is not going to move, and the drinks are staying perfectly fine. And that is one end. The reason we'd have two for your game is so you have somebody at one end with a table for their drinks. It easily fits two. It could even fit more. And then here, what I was trying to show you is here's this table. Again, you can see the scoreboard and my drinks on it. And it is working out well, even though the wind is not allowing my tripod to take a video and show me playing this. These stands have not gone anywhere and are still standing over there. And this is for horseshoes. I will show you how this works, I'm hoping, in a second here. And here we go. My drink. And my horseshoes. Very nice to have access to your drink as the other players go. And my scoreboard for our teams. Very nice, sturdy tables.